Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the noise source, guitar, cable, or amp. First, swap to a known good shielded cable and plug into a different outlet to rule out mains hum. Once done, tap the guitar parts while listening, intermittent buzz points to loose wiring. Next, open the control cavity and visually inspect the ground wires, bridge ground, jack ground, and pickup return. You want solid solder joints and tight mechanical connections. Poor contact is the most common root cause. Once you confirm wiring, address electromagnetic pickup by shielding and redoing solder joints. You should line the control cavity and pickguard with conductive copper tape or paint, then connect that foil directly to the ground lug so the shield drains noise. Reflow any dull solder joints with a temperature-controlled iron and 60/40 rosin core solder. A solid solder bead prevents intermittent hum. Also, check pickup height and orientation. Single coils pick up interference. Finish by testing in realistic play conditions. Connect to your amp, turn off nearby electronics, and move around to find EMI hotspots. Fluorescent lights, dimmers, routers can radiate noise. If the hum traces to building wiring, run the amp on a different circuit or add an isolation transformer. Only use a ground lift adapter briefly for diagnosis, not as a permanent fix. If you still hear noise, install hum-canceling pickups or a gate, and if needed, take the instrument to a tech for shielded rework and deeper electrical diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.